5 mistakes that keep you from succeeding and progressing in your transition. Limiting beliefs is a thing that every person on this planet Earth has. If you have some limiting beliefs about your transition, that's for sure a thing that's going to keep you from succeeding in your transition. Your environment. You're the average of the 5 people that you hang the most time around with, and that's totally true about your transition as well. Laziness. Sometimes people think of any goal in their life, regardless transitioning or not, that things will just come to them, but it's not always true and it's not always the case. In most cases, you have to work for something to get it. Listening to other people's opinions, you can definitely tell that they're not supportive of you and your lifestyle. Not be your authentic and true self. When you're not your true self, you're not going to succeed in what you do. It's not always about the end goal. You also need to enjoy the road.